Hi, this is Chris Simon, and welcome to our channel. We're going to be discussing a couple of legal basics as we go along throughout the year. And today's lesson comes to us through the mail. This is something we haven't seen in a while because of COVID, a civil pretrial conference notice. So this is going to be for a case that's pending in Fulton County, and they've let us know that we need to appear at the end of the month. Now, Fulton is following a couple safety protocols, so they're still going to be on Zoom, but that doesn't really change how important these are to cases. So you don't have to have a pretrial conference before a case is allowed to go to trial, but it makes it incredibly helpful. It prevents ambushes by the other side. It forces you to organize yourself. And basically the parties are going to go in and say, hey, judge, here's what we know about the case. These are the 20 witnesses each of us are going to have. These are the pending motions that need to be decided by the court before this can be argued to a jury. And this is basically what the case is about. It lets a judge go through, say, all 30 cases that are sitting on the docket and go, this one's going to take 3 days, this one's going to take 2 days, this one's 3 weeks, this one looks close to settling, this doesn't look close to settling. And it lets the judge kind of decide, hey, do I need to kick some of these in the pants? Now, some jurisdictions require parties to have been through mediation already. Some jurisdictions are perfectly fine with a case going straight to trial. This one, for instance, requires the parties to submit a consolidated pretrial order no more than 3 days before the conference. They have to identify all documents that may be tendered at trial. That's a big deal. That means every single exhibit that you've got to put on this pretrial order. Mediation must be held prior to the pretrial conference. This is part of what everybody deals with in these cases, and in this case, we've had to set a mediation. Just to give you an idea of what goes on, these are the cases that are going to appear on this calendar. The oldest one is from 2019. The most recent one is filed as recently as 2021. And we are going to find ourselves, let's see for which case this is. We are 15 down. Now, the judges don't necessarily go by your order in the calendar. They simply say, hey, all of you, show up via Zoom, have your ducks in a row, get your evidence lined up, and tell me what this case is about. And so that's kind of the fundamentals behind it. Any party can request a pretrial conference. If a party requests the pretrial conference, the court has to order it. If nobody requests it, the court does not have to do it, and the case can proceed to trial without it, but it kind of makes judges nervous. It should make you nervous as a party and or practitioner. Thanks a lot for listening, and stay tuned for the next one.